GH4STEM JUNEOS Challenge. Meet Cinderella Azanu, a student at Cran Methodist JHS in the western region of Ghana. Cinderella will use balloons, sellotape, a nail, a pair of scissors, and a plastic bottle to show us how to make air pumps. Now let's see what this genius scientist can do. A pump forces substances to move mechanically.
You start by creating a hole on the bottle cap.
Air will move through this hole to inflate the balloon.
Cut a piece of balloon. After shaping it well, you cover it on the hole created on the bottle cap. After placing it on, you stick over with 3 pieces of sellotape. You leave one end unclosed. After that, you shape the mouth well to prevent the air from getting out. After closing it firmly, you create another hole on the side of the bottle.
This hole will serve as an entry route for air, which is required to inflate the balloon.
The piece of balloon now serves as a membrane, which will allow the air to enter the balloon but not allow it to come out. Now you close the bottle cap with the balloon. Then you close your hand on the hole and you start to squeeze. You continue to squeeze. After a while, you move your hands for the air to enter. This experiment is to inform the public that waste or used materials, example like the bottle, to serve a purpose.
This experiment will be found in how to inflate a tire at the vulcanizer's shop, how to even inflate a balloon, how to pump these bicycle tires in our various houses. I'm Christopher Teria, a science teacher at Cran Methodist JHS.
Pumps are used to move liquids or gases from one area to another mechanically. This is why water must be pumped from the ground floor to the top floor of a building. It's time for JUNEOS practical STEM quiz. Will the size of the bottle affect how fast the balloon will be inflated? Get 2 bottles of different sizes and demonstrate this with your friend at home. Share your results and let's know which balloon inflated faster. So now you know how to make air pumps from simple materials. Cool, right? You should try this at home, either on your own or with your friend from school. Make a video or take pictures of your experiment. Ask your teacher or your parents to help you post the results of your experiment on social media. Tag We Go Innovate so that you can win some fabulous prizes. Don't forget to add your name and the name of your school to your entry and hashtag GH4STEM. You can check out any of our experiments at www.wegoinnovate.org and please leave a comment. You can also follow us on social media at We Go Innovate or WhatsApp us on 055 406 6248. Good luck with your experiment. You can be a junior scientist too.